I think you got really a slice of paradise here in Paragua.
Every day.
Waking up to what is a beautiful ocean.
Hi future homeowners, welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at your top realtor. So for today's vlog, we're going to feature and make a video podcast about the Paragua Coastown by Megaworld. And together with me is Miss Lyka Silva, one of the sales director here in Paragua Coastown, and our valued client, Mr. Manuel. So let's go. So we're making a video podcast and we will going to ask Miss Lyka and Mr. Manuel. So Miss Lyka, what in store with Paragua Coastown?
Okay. Hi, I'm Lyka Silva. I'm Assistant Sales Director of Paragua Coastown, and we're actually here in San Vicente where Paragua Coastown is located. So in Paragua Coastown, we have total of 6 projects that we already launched. We have the commercial district, the residential district. We also have the hotel properties. So for our commercial, we have 2 projects. The Mercato Shop House district, it's a mixed use of commercial and residential. And we also have a Porto Hotel district. And we have the, for our residential, we have the Paragua Beach Village. It's already sold out. Wait for the phase 2. And we also have the hotels. The Savoy Hotel, it's the first green hotel here in Palawan. And the Paragua Sands Hotel, the first art hotel in Palawan as well. And lastly is we have the Oceanfront Premier Residences where Sir Manuel invested. So it's one of the selling point is it's oceanfront by the name itself. It's literally a minute walk to the beach.
Wow, so there are really a lot of developments going on here in Paragua Coastown, right? So there will be more or upcoming future development that will be launched very soon. So that's why you have to feel free to subscribe with our YouTube channel. Stay updated. And again, Mr. Manuel, why did you choose among all the projects is why Oceanfront?
Oceanfront was really captured my my eye. The main reason is because it will have a view of the developments that Megaworld is building here, which is the Mercato. It will have a view of the bay, the mountains, and I think for anyone interested in acquiring property at the
in Paragua,
yes, I think to have the view of that ocean, I think is really important.
Yeah. So yeah, I think you got really a slice of paradise here in Paragua.
Every day.
Waking up to what is a beautiful ocean right across where you'll be sleeping. I think I picked a really good investment by selecting something here in Paragua, the oceanfront.
I think that's your best smart move when it comes to investing real property here in the Philippines, right?
Yes, a very smart move. And I think I got a smart team to help me.
Yes. Again, we'd love to share more about our experiences here. So thank you, Mr. Manuel and Miss Lyka, for sharing your insights about Paragua Coastown. So again, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more updates with Paragua Coastown. And we want to really share to you our best experience here in this island. So see you on our next vlog. Bye for now. Another day in my life as a realtor. Bye for now.
Megaworld, a brand mainstay in the real estate scene for over 30 years. This multi-award-winning property developer continues to fulfill their commitment in bringing you only the best and most promising spaces for living. And with its growing portfolio located all over the country, Megaworld is done testing the waters. Now, Megaworld is diving in. And there's nowhere else better to dive into than only in one of the world's best beaches. An island that's consistently dubbed as the best island in the world. The home of the longest white sand beach in the country and the second longest in Southeast Asia. This is San Vicente, Palawan. Redefine living with Megaworld's first sustainable ecotourism township. Welcome to Paragua Coastown. Paragua Coastown comes with unique ecotourism township components and amenities that fit only an award-winning standard. These amenities include an active adult center, a mangrove reserve park, natural forest parks, the marketplace, and the Paragua Cultural Event Center. The amenities will also feature a modern tropical luxe design with sustainability and preservation in mind. In addition, Paragua Coastown will also hallmark the country's first biophilic medical wellness facility, as well as an international green school. Of course, with such inclusive amenities, the commercial projects should follow the same. The Porto Hotel District is where you'll find the next home of luxury hotel chains that's soon to come in Paragua Coastown. The Hotel District is dedicated to creating a mixed-use hotel and commercial space with 450 to 860 square meters prime commercial lots. If you're looking to grow your business or set up a new venture, then Mercado Shop House District is for you. Built for mixed use and commercial lots with 250 to 500 square meters prime commercial area, allowed commercial uses include retail, food and beverage, and outpatient clinics, among others. From doing business on an island to living on one of the best beaches in the world. Now, it's made possible with Paragua Coastown's residential projects. Experience a life by the beach and reconnect with nature when you choose to live in Paragua Beach Village, the first residential project of Paragua Coastown. The residential area offers a 200 to 360 square meters lot size and is made with sustainable features, which includes a nature-inspired wellness and sports center and a playground park for kids. The best luxury hotel finally makes its new home in San Vicente, Palawan to offer the same promise, but made greener. Introducing Savoy Palawan. As the first luxury green hotel of Megaworld Corporation, the 25 to 74 square meters units will feature sustainable design choices like low-flow plumbing, rainwater harvesting, and bicycle racks. Paragua Coastown's first ever residential condominium is waving hello to island living. This is Oceanfront Premier Residences. Units ranging from 32 to 105 square meters with sustainable features like low-flow fixtures, occupancy sensors in hallways, and rainwater harvesting and reuse. This is a new wave of living made for everyone. Discover a better, healthier, and more sustainable way of living with Paragua Coastown.